Hey guys, it's Math Central here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about percentages. So there are four types of percentages. Type 1 is, it usually says in the exam question, find X% of Y. So I'll just write that down, X% of Y. And here's a typical question. If it says find 15% of 46 pounds, it's actually very easy. What you do is 0.515 multiplied by 46 pounds. And if you put that in the calculator, you shall get 6.9, and that is equal to 6.6 pounds 90 pence. And that's the first type done. And guys, remember that you won't get this type of question. They'll be normally a lot more complicated and you'll have to apply your knowledge. And here is type 2. It says express X as a percentage of Y. And the question is express 40p as a percentage of 3 pounds 34 pence. Now you can either convert this into pennies or the pennies into pounds, and I'm gonna go for converting this into pennies. I think it's much more easier. So what you would do is 40p divided by 334 pence, and times that by 100, and what you get is 11.9, and you would round that off to 12%, and that is type 2 done right there. So question type 3, basically it says a house increases in value by 20% to 72,000 pounds. Find its value before the rise. And this is actually one of the easiest. So you would put down the 72,000 pounds, and that equals 120%, right? Because before this it used to be 100%, and we're going to try and find what that 100% was. So you would divide this by 120, which will give you 600. And obviously you guys use a calculator for this bit, and that is now 1%. Then you times the 600 by 100, which equals to 60,000 pounds. And that was the value of the house before its rise in value by 20%. Now, if it said its value had increased by, let's say, 30% here instead of 20%, you would divide this by 130. If it said 80% here, you would divide this by 180, and so on. Now, if it said that the house dropped its value by 80%, and now the value is 72,000, what you would do is divide by 80, divide 72,000 by 80, then that would give you 1%, and times that 1% by 100, and you would get your answer. So final one, this is percentage change, and percentage change, I will call it PC. So that stands for percentage change. And how you find the percentage change is this. So you put the change here, the amount the percent changed by, and you would divide it by the original, and you would get a decimal answer, and you times that by 100 afterwards to get it into percentage mode. For example, if a shop owner had a bottle of Coke and he bought it from his suppliers by, let's say, 80p, and he sold it for £1, he would be making 20p profit. So you put the profit here. So, and you would do 20 divided by 80 times 100, which equals 25, and that means he made a profit of 25%. And there you go, guys. That's everything you need to know for percentages at GCSE level. Thanks for watching.